Title and introduction why Python is ideal for beginners. Set it up in 5 minutes or less. Are you embarking on your coding journey? Discover why Python is the optimal starting point. In this video, we will guide you through its advantages and demonstrate how to set it up swiftly. Advantages of Python: user-friendly syntax, extensive community support, versatile applications. Python's syntax is intuitive and straightforward, making it suitable for all, from data science to automation. Downloading Python. Step 1. Navigate to python.org and download. Begin by visiting python.org and selecting Download. The site automatically detects your operating system. Click on Download button. Python installation, including path configuration. Ensure Add Python to Path is selected. Proceed with installation. Launch the installer and be sure to check the Add Python to Path option prior to selecting Install Now. Installing Visual Studio Code. Step 2. Acquire Visual Studio Code. Next, visit code.visualstudio.com to download Visual Studio Code. It's available at no cost and designed specifically for developers. Adding Python extension in Visual Studio Code. Install the Python extension by Microsoft. Within Visual Studio Code, access extensions and search for Python. Install the extension provided by Microsoft. Writing your first program: print Hello World. Execute the program. Create a new file named hello.py, enter print hello world, and run the file. Success. Conclusion and call to action. Congratulations. Create practical Python code. Subscribe for day 2 and keep supporting. You have successfully written your first Python program. In the next session, we will explore user interactive